So students, today we are going to see 15th lesson, a memorable ceremony. In this chapter we are going to see how this ceremony is celebrated and why Shivaji Maharaj wanted to declare himself as a king of Swaraj. First point, why did Shivaji have himself crowned? Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar. Okay, we have seen in previous lesson how that Shivaji took the oath of स्वराज इन द टेम्पल ऑफ रायरेश्वर, यानी रायरेश्वर के टेम्पल में उन्होंने स्वराज्य स्थापना करने की शपथ ली थी. He had to face numerous difficulties and calamities in his efforts to win Swaraj for his people. Means he faced lot of problems. Okay, in the process of creation of Swaraj, यानी स्वराज्य निर्माण करते हुए उन्होंने बहुत समस्याओं का सामना किया था. But with a great courage and skill, Shivaji overcame them all. Means whatever that problem he solved and then became the founder of Swaraj. Swaraj had stepped out of its childhood and was growing fast. Men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji nursed it with their blood. Means so many sardars, so many warriors sacrificed their life for the स्वराज. उनमें से बाजी प्रभु हैं, मुरार बाजी हैं, दानाजी हैं. उन्होंने अपने प्राणों का बलिदान देके ये स्वराज्य बढ़ाया था. द न्यू किंगडम वॉज बोथ रिस्पेक्टेड एंड फियर. मीन्स पीपल हैड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर दिस किंगडम एंड एनिमीज हैड फियर फॉर दिस किंगडम. यानी जो शत्रु थे उनको इस राज्य का भय लगता था और जो लोग थे उनको बहुत आदर लगता था. Next paragraph, with a view to having this kingdom recognized by all other princes in the land, big and small, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned. Means we know very well that any kingdom, isn't it? Each and every kingdom, they have their own king or prince, isn't it? So same way Shivaji Maharaj wanted to be declared as king of Maratha Swarajya. स्वराज्य के लिए राजा होना आवश्यक है. किसी भी राज्य का हमने स्टोरी में सुना है कि हमने देखा है और हिस्ट्री में भी पढ़ा है कि किसी भी राजा अगर राज्य होता है तो उसका एक राजा होता है, नहीं तो युवराज होता है जो प्रशासन चलाता है. तो सेम वे शिवाजी ऑल्सो वांटेड द किंग ऑफ मराठा. तो मराठा और स्वराज्य का किंग होना भी ज़रूरी है. इसीलिए शिवाजी महाराज ने अभी ये खुद को राजा घोषित करने के लिए सोचा है. आफ्टर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स एंड किंग वॉज बॉर्न इन महाराष्ट्र हु वुड ट्रीट ऑल रिलीजन्स इक्वली एंड गिव जस्टिस एंड हैप्पीनेस टू हिज सब्जेक्ट्स. सब्जेक्ट्स मीन्स प्रजा, यानी लोग जो हैं उन लोगों के लिए दिस शिवाजी महाराज ऑलवेज ट्रीटेड ऑल द रिलीजन्स इक्वली. वो सारे धर्म को समान मानते थे. गिव जस्टिस यानी न्याय देते थे. And he always wanted his people had happiness. Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone would come to know that Swaraj had been firmly established. He did not do it for self-glorification or personal happiness. He did it to give the newly founded स्वराज in a firm footing. और स्वराज्य बढ़ाने के लिए, स्वराज्य ऐसे ही चलने के लिए कोई राजा आवश्यक है. इसीलिए उन्होंने अपने आप को राजा घोषित करने के लिए सोचा है. और ये खुद के लिए वो नहीं करना चाहते थे, अपने लोगों की भलाई के लिए और स्वराज्य बढ़ाने के लिए, स्वराज्य ऐसे ही चलने के लिए उन्होंने सोचा है कि मुझे अभी राजा बनना है. So next point is the capital of Swaraj. Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. Raigad was a strong hill fort from where it was easy to administer and the kingdom administered the kingdom and keep a watch on the enemy. So we knew that Raigad became the capital of Swaraj, and that is why Shivaji Maharaj selected Raigad as the capital, because it was easy to administrate, okay, from that place, as well as keep a watch on the enemy. Means whatever enemy's activity was going on, so that they can keep watch on them from this fort. एंड दैट वाज स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्ट आल्सो. तो ये स्वराज्य की स्थापना करते हुए उन्होंने रायगढ़ को अपना रायगढ़ जो किला है उसको राजधानी घोषित किया है. और रायगढ़ किले के ऊपर से लोगों के ऊपर यानी जो भी शत्रु है उन शत्रु के ऊपर नज़र रखना इजी जा रहा था. और जो प्रशासन चलाने के लिए भी रायगढ़ उनके लिए सही था. तो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, शिवाजी राजे इंस्पेक्टेड हिज ट्रूप्स एट चिपलून. ही विजिटेड प्रतापगढ़ एंड टुक द गॉडेस भवानी's दर्शन. In a grateful memory, be presented to the temple a golden canopy for the goddess. So that is why before celebrating this ceremony, before going to become as a king of Swaraj, he visited to Pratapgarh and there he took the darshan of भवानी's. यानी भवानी का जो मंदिर है प्रतापगढ़ के यहाँ, उन्होंने उधर शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या किया है, उधर उनका आशीर्वाद लिया है. और चिपलून जो है वहाँ उन्होंने जो अपने सरदार है उनको भी तैनात किया है. यानी वो सारी जगह पे जो भी हमारा स्वराज है उनके ऊपर वो अच्छी तरह नज़र रख रहे थे. Okay, next point is preparation for the coronation. Then Shivaji Raje ordered a golden throne to be made and had it studded with precious stones. Means in flint poem, means in English subject we have learned flint poem, and in that flint poem you have learned about precious stones, emerald, ruby, diamond, pearl, isn't it? So when Shivaji Raje ordered to make this golden throne, means throne is made up of gold, and he also told to them decorate with the precious stones. He put a while royal umbrella over the throne. अभी राजा के जो सिंहासन होता है उधर एक बड़ी छतरी लगाई जाती है. Invitation to the coronation were sent out to the princes, king, learned Brahman, and all the sardars under his command and other officers. So invitation was sent to the respected person. जो भी दूसरे राजा हैं, ब्राह्मण से यानी पंडित, और जो सरदार है, ऐसे रिस्पेक्टेड पर्सन को, आदरणीय लोगों को इनविटेशन भेजा जाता है. गागा भट्टा केम फ्रॉम वाराणसी टू एक्ट एज अ चीफ प्रीस्ट एट अ सेरेमनी. Gaga Bhatta originally belonged to Paitan but had settled down in Varanasi. He was a great and renowned scholar respected in Varanasi. Means Gaga Bhatta belonged from Paitan, okay, from Maharashtra. But again he settled in Varanasi, and there he was very famous because he was very scholar, okay, in Ved. So that is why Gaga Bhatta was invited to do all that ceremony. Okay. Next point, Shivaji Maharaj made detailed preparation for the coronation. Men were sent out to bring water of 7 rivers and the sea. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. Small tents, big tents, spacious shamiyanas to accommodate the guests could be seen everywhere. So again Shivaji Maharaj prepared, okay, all the that whatever wanted to celebrate that ceremony. So he invited respected people as well as sent his Sardar to bring that 7 rivers waters and sea water. So because he was going to be as king, so all that whatever that water required from different 7 rivers and sea, he sent to bring it to the Sardar, okay. And 50,000 people came on that fort, and small tents, big tents, यानी जो भी तंबू है लोगों को रहने के लिए वो उधर खड़े किए जाते हैं. शामियानास मीन्स शामियानास इज मोर बेटर देन टेंट, एंड मोस्टली जो रिस्पेक्टेड सरदार है, पर्सन है, वो उनमें रहते थे. And at that point so many guests were on that fort. Next point is the coronation ceremony, means how ceremony was celebrated, that has given here. The coronation day dawn, means that day came. It was indeed the most auspicious day, means everywhere was happiness, isn't it? All the people were happy and they were very excited. They were very active, as well as they, means everybody wanted to see that celebration or that function. Musician began to play on their instrument, singer began to sing, music and singing filled the air. There was an atmosphere of joy everywhere, means जो भी म्यूजिशियन हैं जो यानी नगारे बजने लगे और जो गाना गाने वाले थे वो गाना गा रहे थे, मीन्स एवरीवेयर वॉज हैप्पीनेस. All the people were very happy. Shivaji Raja sat on a golden seat in a full regalia. A canopy means chhatra, means that umbrella, and the fans chamere were held over his head. There were priests, each one carrying vessels of ghee, dahi, and honey. मीन्स वो शिवाजी महाराज सैट ऑन अ गोल्डन सीट, जो गोल्डन थ्रोन बनवाया था, सिंहासन बनवाया था, उस पर वो बैठते हैं. एंड अभी ये जो वैदिक धर्म के अनुसार जो विधि होने वाली थी, इसके लिए गागा भट्ट और जो दूसरे प्रिस्ट है यानी पुजारी है, वो सारे वेसल यानी बर्तन लेके वो, और वो बर्तन कैसे थे, घी, दही और हनी से भरे हुए वो खड़े थे और वो सारे पूजा कर रहे थे. गागा भट्टा हिमसेल्फ कैरिड अ गोल्ड वेसल फिल्ड विथ वाटर ऑफ 7 रिवर, गंगा, सिंधु, यमुना, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, नर्मदा एंड कावेरी. दैट कावेरी का जो नाम है वो नेक्स्ट पेज पे है. सो ऑल दिस 7 रिवर्स वाटर वर फिल्ड इन दैट डिफरेंट वेसल्स और वन वेसल. जो एक बर्तन में ऐसे सारे नदियों का पानी और समुद्र का पानी वो लेके उनके ऊपर, सर के ऊपर, शिवाजी महाराज के सर के ऊपर डाल रहे थे. ऐसा ये फंक्शन जो है वो हो रहा था, मंत्र बोले जा रहे थे. दैट वी कैन सी ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. Okay, the student, we are going to see on the next page, Kaveri and of the sea. Gaga Bhatta held the vessel over Shivaji's head and started reciting the coronation mantras. From 100 tiny holes in the vessel, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. Means Gaga Bhatta held the vessel, यानी वो जो बर्तन है सोने का, वो बर्तन उनके सर के ऊपर रखते हैं, ऐसे लेते हैं, और वो जो बर्तन है उस बर्तन को बहुत सारे होल है और उस होल से जो 7 नदियों का पानी है और समुद्र का पानी है वो शिवाजी महाराज के सर पे गिरता है. आफ्टर एबुलेशन बाय द सैक्रेड वाटर, शिवाजी महाराज got up and bowed before Jijamata and touched her feet. And when this water was dripping on the head of Shivaji Maharaj, that time Gaga Bhatta was saying mantra. Gaga Bhatta mantra बोल रहे थे. And after this Shivaji Maharaj touched to the feet of Jijamata and took the blessing of her. Jijamata को वो उनके पैर छूते हैं और उनका आशीर्वाद लेते हैं. Jijamata held him in a close embrace. Her eyes were filled with the tears of joy. Her 30 years' efforts had at last borne fruit. The dream she had nursed before Shivaji's birth had at last come true. Means whatever that dream was thought by her and Shivaji Maharaj, that was successful. अब स्वराज्य बनाने का जो सपना उन्होंने देखा था वो अभी हो गया है. इसीलिए जो टीयर्स केम इन आइज ऑफ जिजामाता, बिकॉज जिजामाता हैड टीयर्स. क्यों टीयर्स आते हैं उनकी आँखों में, आंसू क्यों आते हैं? क्योंकि अभी वो खुश हो गई है. जो भी उन्होंने सपना देखा था स्वराज्य स्थापना का, वो अभी सच हो गया है. शिवाजी महाराज वॉज ऑल्सो डीपली मूव्ड, ग्लोरी टू बी बोथ ऑफ देम, यानी शिवाजी महाराज भी इधर भावुक हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. आफ्टर मीटिंग मा साहेब, शिवाजी महाराज sat on the throne. Maharani Soirabai and the Crown Prince Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. Gagavatta held the canopy lined with gold and pearl tassels over his head and said, Victory be to Shivaji Chhatrapati, now crowned king and the ornaments of the race of warrior. Yani Gagavatta again held the mukut, means canopy, that was made up of gold as well as pearl, decorated with pearl. And there were Soirabai and Prince Sambhaji Raje. Okay, you can see to the next page their photo or their picture. And Jizamata was also aside them, as well as there were also their sardars, respectable men, as well as their 8 minister. So Gagavatta said that कि शिवाजी महाराज की जय. और शिवाजी महाराज ऐसे ही ऐसे वॉरियर बार बार तैयार हो. Everyone present followed suit in one voice, wished victory to शिवाजी महाराज. सभी लोग शिवाजी महाराज की जय जयकार करते हैं. Guns were fired from fort after fort. The whole of Maharashtra echo with one voice. शिवाजी महाराज की जय. अभी सारे जो किले हैं, गढ़ हैं, उन किलों पे नगारे बजने लगते हैं, गन की फायरिंग होती है और सारे लोग शिवाजी महाराज की जय जयकार करते हैं. सारे सह्याद्री में शिवाजी महाराज की जय जयकार की आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. Shivaji's coronation took place in 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people start a new era. He struck his own coins. Some foreign envoys were present at the coronation. The English had sent their envoy Oxenden with a valuable presents. Yani all that on the next page you can see there were also enemies member, and they also offered present to the Shivaji Maharaj, and they were present at that coronation ceremony. So they offered present or gift to Shivaji Maharaj, and as well as Shivaji Maharaj started new calendar that was coronation calendar, and also started new coins, Shivaji's coins. Okay, the whole world came to know of the big events. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere, means people, they had very respect to about Shivaji Maharaj, and that Shivaji Maharaj and Swaraj became famous, or that popularity spread everywhere. Okay, students, you can see the picture of coronation ceremony. Okay, on the throne you can see Shivaji Maharaj in the middle, and left side Queen Soirabai and Prince Sambhaji Raje, and right side there is Jizamata. Okay, and here are 8 their minister. You can see the some other people, foreign people also you can see here. They are giving gift to the Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, they had brought some gift to the Shivaji Maharaj, and they are offering to him. And other also people from their other religions you can see in this picture. Okay, in this way that coronation ceremony was happened, and Shivaji became the king of Swaraj.